KitKat price prediction. I just bought a bag of KitKat right here, and I want to give you my perspective on why I do think we have a nice retracement here. I'm looking for over 2x. I'll tell you what my chat and how we're DCAing into this position. We just started buying around these levels, as you can see right here. And there are a few things that you should know. So first of all, my chat is absolutely free. Link in the description down below. I have nothing to sell you. Everything is free. That's it. I'm a trader. I make money from trading. VOOX, I'm up to 192 Curent. Now I'm trading on Padre, so you can follow all of my trades for free. Again, I have nothing to sell you. I just want to show you the volume. And we pulled up the chart and want to see where volume resides. What kind of volume do we have here? We have 318,000 buyers versus 183K sellers. This is massive volume. This is not a little bit of volume. This is massive volume. This is killer volume. This is volume that this is an accumulation area. This is the accumulation area. And the first selling pressure is at 3.9, at basically at 4. This is the first selling pressure at 4. This is it, especially if we break the 2.7s. That's it. So I wanted to give you my takeaway on it. Obviously, no financial advice. It's a cheap project. And I'm thinking of actually going in very soon. If we break these lows, I'm willing to sweep the liquidity at the beginning of a 1-minute candle. So think about it right now. But yeah, you can follow and see when I'll exit and so on in the chat. Love you with all my heart. See you next video.